Have you ever seen a warning about a hidden signal scanner on your Android phone? Most people ignore it, but this single setting can constantly scan nearby devices using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, even when you're not using them. This can affect your privacy, drain your battery, and slow down your phone. In this video, I'll show you what this setting really does, why it stays on by default, and how to safely turn it off. The so-called hidden signal scanner is not a virus or a hacking tool. It is an Android feature called Scan for Nearby Devices. This feature allows your phone to constantly look for nearby devices like smart TVs, Bluetooth speakers, printers, and other Android phones. To do this, your phone keeps scanning in the background using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, even if you are not connected to anything. While this feature is useful in some cases, most people don't actually need it all the time. Because it runs in the background, it can reduce battery life, increase background activity, share device signals more often than necessary, slightly impact privacy. That's why Android allows you to turn it off manually. Before disabling this setting, there is one important thing to know. If you use features like Nearby Share, Cast to TV, Quick Device Pairing, you may want to keep this on. But if you don't use these features, you can safely turn it off. Now let me show you how to find this setting. First, open your phone's Settings app. Next, scroll down and look for options like Google, Connected Devices, Device Connections, or Location. The name may vary depending on your phone. Tap on Google, All Services. Then tap on Devices and Sharing or Device Connections. Now look for a setting called Scan for Nearby Devices, Android Nearby, or Nearby Device Scanning. Once you find it, turn the toggle off. This will stop your phone from constantly scanning nearby devices in the background. After disabling this setting, your phone will use less battery, reduce background scanning, improve overall efficiency, limit unnecessary device detection, and you can always turn it back on if you need it later. This is one of those Android settings most users never check. If this video helped you, subscribe for more Android tips, privacy fixes, and phone optimization guides. Thanks for watching.